Hello and welcome to Eastern Sky Media. I'm Prashanti Mokhtan bringing you today's news bulletin in English. Pakistan PMO has confirmed the attendance of their Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif in Prime Minister-designate Narendra Modi's swearing-in ceremony on 26 May. Sharif's decision to attend the ceremony came amid reports that there was stiff opposition from hardliners in the establishment. A formal announcement has been made by the Prime Minister's office in Pakistan that Sharif would be attending the event and he will reach New Delhi on Monday morning. Sharif will be accompanied by Pakistan's National Security Advisor Sartaj Aziz. Brief bilateral talks are likely to happen between the two leaders the following day, even as Modi is expected to host a banquet for all the dignitaries on May 26th in the evening. Chief Minister Nabam Tuki met former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in New Delhi for the first time after he became the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh for the second consecutive term. He also met Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi. Addressing the media, Nabam Tuki said he met the caretaker Prime Minister and congratulated him for his successful tenure as the Prime Minister for the last 10 years. Tuki also credited Singh's developmental package sanctioned in 2008 as a major boost to the development of Arunachal Pradesh.
मैं आज प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह जी से मिल के आया हूँ और उनको धन्यवाद देने के लिए गया था क्योंकि अरुणाचल में 2008 में आया और उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर स्पेशल पैकेज अरुणाचल के लिए दिया। उसका काम आगे चल रहा है, विशेष करके ट्रांस अरुणाचल हाईवे और एयरपोर्ट, रेलवे सर्विस, देन आपका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट में सेक्रेटरीट बिल्डिंग, असेंबली, न्यू असेंबली बिल्डिंग, सब ऐसे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट में काफ़ी मदद हुआ। 24,000 करोड़ उन्होंने मदद किया अरुणाचल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, इसलिए उसको धन्यवाद देने के लिए हमने गया था।
Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi interacted with the media in Assam Bhavan after he met the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in New Delhi. However, no mention was made over the alleged report about his resignation and the alleged dissidents in the state party unit. Even as media was hungry for news over a report about an alleged trouble brewing in Congress party unit in Assam, Gogoi evaded himself from giving any comment on the issue. However, he said that in his meeting with the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, he congratulated Singh for his grand 10-year tenure. He also thanked the caretaker Prime Minister for granting a national project status to Bogibeel Bridge construction in Dibrugarh district.
বৰ্তমান মানে কেয়াৰটেকাৰ প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ আগৰ অৱশ্যে ডক্টৰ মনমোহন সিঙৰ দেখা কৰি মই আমাৰ অসমৰ হৈ মই তেখেতক কৃতজ্ঞতা জনালোঁ যে আপুনি 10 বছৰ কালত আপুনি আমাক যিমান সহায় কৰিলে, ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ওপৰ দলঙেই হওক, ৰেলৱে হওক, গেছ কেকাৰ প্ৰজেক্টেই হওক, লামডিঙৰ প্ৰজেক্টে ব্ৰডগজেই হওক, ৰাস্তাই হওক, নানান শিক্ষা অনুষ্ঠানবিলাকেই হওক, বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ এক্সটাৰ্নেল কি কয় ৱৰ্ল্ড বেংকেই হওক, এছিয়ান ডেভেলপমেণ্ট বেংকেই হওক, কি কয় জাপানেই হওক, বিভিন্ন স্কিমত আপুনি আমাক যি সহায় কৰিলে সেইটোত মই কৃতজ্ঞতা জনালোঁ।
In the court, I don't differentiate between a female and male, says the first woman judge of Arunachal Pradesh, Jawel Pluchai, who also topped the Arunachal Pradesh Judicial Service exam. Giving verdicts to the long-pending cases as an additional district and session judge in Basar, the first woman judge shared that as a woman, that she wanted to get into a job. The realization about her achievements came late when people applauded her for topping the Arunachal Pradesh Judicial Service exam. The rest is history. In the deep patriarchal society of Arunachal Pradesh, people talk about women empowerment and use the word equality. But the same people create a so-called women wing which contradicts the whole concept of equality. In this juncture, Chai has thrived perfectly without any women wing quota. She attributes her achievements to her family for their continuous support. As a native of Arunachal, Chai is aware about and competent in handling cases with the Indian judiciary system and customary law of Kebang. She opines that the age-old customary system, which is respected by the natives, should be encouraged with little modification in tune with the Indian judiciary system. She believes that the cases which are found complicated in Kebang law should be referred to or intervened by the judiciary and vice versa.
Gone are the days when women folks' professional inclinations were more towards becoming a doctor, nurse or engineer. Nowadays, women can be someone who can give verdicts to the old lawbreakers. Yes guys, today I'm talking about none other than Javiplu Chai, who is first woman judge of Arunachal Pradesh. Let's meet her.
Initially when I entered as an advocate, because I practiced initially at Tezu. So when I met our judicial magistrate first class there, so I was like sort of inspired, because as a woman I always wanted to get into a job. So I had just a thought that if I get into just judicial magistrate first class, that is grade 3, that would have sufficed me. But I never thought that I'll achieve this much also.
Even after 2 years of its establishment, the Doimuk Government College in Papumpare district so far exists without any permanent building. It was established to meet the increasing demands of students who seek admissions in Dera Natung Government College in Itanagar. The past 2 years have been an extreme challenge. The college is still struggling to settle in for an identified site, as it has been frequently shifted from one place to another, affecting the academic management and hampering the welfare of both students and faculty members. Dr. N.T. Rikam, principal of the college, apprised to Eastern Sky Media about the constant shifting of the college that started in a rented building at Lekhi village near Doimuk. Dr. Rikam also expressed difficulties faced in the smooth functioning of the college without a permanent site.
2012 में दईमू में एक गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज खुलने का निर्णय लिया और 2012 जुलाई को ही ये कॉलेज शुरू किया। इनिशियली कॉलेज को हम लोग लेकी बस्ती में उस तरफ निर्जुली का सामने में उधर में शुरू किया था। वहाँ एक्चुअली रेंटेड हाउस में था।
Flightless Australian birds emu draw visitors in drove at a farm in Gumto village in Arunachal Pradesh. A farm for birds belonging to the ostrich family is drawing curious visitors in large numbers in Gumto village, located near the state capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Run by Chukuloma, the farm houses the flightless Australian bird emu and has become an instant hit among the people. The farm is doing good business as the owner earns between 12 to 15,000 rupees from a single bird. Moreover, the bird's eggs also fetch the owner good profit.
इस इसका जो नाम जो इमू बोल के बोलता है और इसका जो घास फूस भी पूरा खाता है वो और दाना भी खा जाता है, मुर्गी दाना सब ऐसे खाता है। रेट जो छोटा वाला में 16,000, दूटू में बड़ा वाला में 15,000 ऐसा होता है।
ये जो ऑस्ट्रिच का जो एक जनजाति का एक हिस्सा है, इसको ईमो करके नाम रखा गया है यहाँ अरुणाचल में, और इनका यहाँ पर सेलिंग किया जाता है। इसके अंडे को भी बेचा जाता है 1000 से लेकर 600 रुपये तक। और इसको देखा जाए तो ये अरुणाचल में एक बहुत ही यूनिक वाला एक बिजनेस शुरू किया है। चुहुलोमा जो यहाँ अरुणाचल में एक डिविजनल फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर के रैंक में भी काम कर रहे हैं। कैमरामैन ओबी मेलोंग के साथ मैं नीलम राजा, ईस्टर्न स्काई मीडिया, ईटानगर।
A 3-day residential training program was organized by an Odisha-based NGO, Committee for Legal Aid, at the State Cooperative Union Conference Hall in Naharlagun. More than 50 paralegal volunteers from various districts of the state attended it. The training program was held with an aim to enable the paralegal volunteers to impart knowledge to the common mass on the procedures for legal cases. Advocates Nikita Dangen, Sunil Mao, Subutapin, Jungam Jini were the resource persons to train the volunteers. Department of Justice, Government of India, the Arunachal Pradesh State Legal Services Authority and Action Aid Society Arunachal Pradesh also collaborated with the NGO team for this training project.
आप लोग देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे आज हम लोग नाहरलगुन में हैं। यहाँ पे 3 days पैरा लीगल वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश का ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम चल रहा है। तो चलिए हम आज बात करते हैं मैम से जो यहाँ का कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं। मैम, ये पैरा लीगल जो 3 days ट्रेनिंग है, ये क्या उसका क्या मोटिव से और क्या मुद्दा से आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे आज ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट किया है?
पैरालीगल एक कम्युनिटी डेवलप हो रही है और हर जगह पे, हर स्टेट पे की जा रही है वॉलंटियर्स की, जो कि अपने गांव में जाके, अपने क्षेत्र में जाके अपने ही लोगों के लिए काम करेंगे। और एक्सेस टू जस्टिस, जो लोग कोर्ट में नहीं जा सकते हैं, जो कोर्ट उनके दरवाजे तक नहीं आ सकता है, उनको न्याय नहीं मिल सकता है, उनको न्याय दिलाने के लिए वो लोग एक ब्रिज का काम करेंगे। लोगों की समस्याएं जो हैं वो सुन के उसको कहाँ पे लीगल एड में लेके जाना, लोगों को मुफ्त में कानून की सहायता पहुंचाना, और उनके जीवन में अगर कोई डिस्प्यूट है, कोई भी झगड़ा है या कोई भी छोटे मोटे अंदरूनी मामले हैं, उसको कैसे एमिकेबली सेटल करना है, ये सब काम है पैरालीगल वॉलंटियर का।
This is all from Eastern Sky Media for today. This is Prashanti signing off.